How to fix Firefox not opening on Windows 10 and Windows 11. 1. Use Task Manager to close all Firefox processes and then open the browser again. 2. Use the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. 3. If you got Firefox from Microsoft Store, repair the browser. Like this. 4. Launch Firefox troubleshoot mode by pressing Shift key and double-clicking on the Firefox node. You would need disable some installed add-on in your Firefox. 5. Refresh Firefox by pressing Shift key and double-clicking on the Firefox